Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a really cool, fun, neon inspired look. It's actually really simple and easy to achieve. I feel like neon has been quite in lately and everybody's doing that pop of neon here and there, and I'm going to go ahead and recreate similar looks to what I've been seeing with neon in the inner corner and everything like that. I think it's actually pretty cool that you know, it gives us a different way to play with bright colors and all that, and I like playing around with makeup. So I already went ahead and did my face makeup. So all of that is done, and I'm going to show you how I can achieve this look. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The two palettes I'm going to be using are the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette and the Weekend Festival palette right here. The Daisy Marquez one is right here. I also used it as like a mirror vanity, which is really dirty that I have to clean. So let's go ahead and get these both open. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this big fluffy brush right here. I'm gonna just spray some cleaner on it to make sure we absolutely have nothing on it. I'm just gonna rub it on this rag I have here. So I have some tea for you guys, and I'm kind of like PO'd about it. So obviously the whole thing with the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, I was going to send my lipsticks back, and I put them, you know, I repackaged them, emailed them saying, hey, I followed your return policy. I wrote down everything that was wrong with them, and along with sending an email with pictures attached and everything like that. And it took me about 3 days to get an email back, and the email stated that as long as I'm following the return policy on the paper, I'm supposed to choose the cheapest shipping and keep track of my package. They're not refunding me the money that I paid to get it shipped to me, and they're also not paying it for me to return it to them. So I kind of just said, like, I emailed them back saying, where's your customer service at? Like, I'm returning them because it's bad quality. There's something going on with your lipsticks. It's pretty much a recall. And one, you're not giving me the money back to get that I paid to get the lipsticks, but you're not gonna give me a return shipping label either. Which it's really just turning me off to her customer service, her company, because I just think it's kind of crazy. But I'm going to be going in all over my transition shade with this color called Naked. What I'm trying to do is very minimal on the lid, and because I want everything to be focused on the inner corner neon like color. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to work that kind of just over my eye. So yeah, I really, let me zoom you guys in. So I really was not happy about that at all. And I hope, because honestly what she said in her videos was like that, you know, she was gonna make it right for people, not to worry about it, and I'm not expecting a refund and an exchange. But in the meantime, while there's nothing to be exchanged, you should kind of relaunch your lipsticks and, you know, not make people pay to send it back when they already paid to receive them. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye. That's just me though, you know? So this color is really nice because it's just laying down this kind of nice, soft, neutral. It definitely has like a peachy pink undertone to it. But it's just laying down like a flat kind of, you know, shade of a color that's just not my eyelid. And what I'm going to do also is just take that same color and kind of just sweep it under the lower lash line. to add some color down there too. How was everybody's weekend? I pretty much cleaned all weekend. We're gonna have some guests staying. My brother-in-law is coming to stay with us for a good amount of time, and then my mother-in-law is coming to stay with us as well, so it'll be fun to get to spend time with Gino's family and do a bunch of cool stuff. So I'm just gonna keep building that color until it's the kind of like matte shade that I want. Blend. Okay. Next, what I'm going to go in with is, I definitely want to use either the blue or the pink, or have this like yellow too. I think I'm gonna try the blue, see how it works out, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this dense little brush I have right here. I'm gonna just spray it, make sure there's no other color on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just dip the brush in like this. Let me get a closer mirror. And I'm gonna kind of just tap I'm going to do that to the other side. Don't know if I'm necessarily doing that right, but we're just gonna keep tapping and kind of diffusing the edges. And to make it a little more neon, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer and kind of tap over where we just put that blue down. just gonna go back in with some more. I'm kind of gonna just drag it in a little bit. Really close to the lash line. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner, and I'll be right back. So I added a little bit of eyeliner, and I did want to make it kind of thick because this look is very minimal. The only thing we have going is the pop of color, so I feel like the thick liner just kind of adds a little something to it. It definitely brings me like, I don't know, tropical vibes or cool like vacation, chilling, just that's what neon reminds me of. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and then we're gonna add some mascara. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I definitely like the little pop of neon. I feel like it's really cute, really summer, and it's really simple and easy to achieve. So I hope you guys like this video. I will be on here a little bit more. I'm going to be trying to pre-record some because, like I said, we are going to be having guests a lot the next couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. And if you try to recreate this look, if you try to recreate this look, make sure to tag me in it so I can see, you know, your recreation. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit it. Hit that post notification bell. You'll be getting a notification every time I upload a video so you don't miss one. And make sure to follow all of my socials, and that will be listed down in the description box below. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.